Hello mga kuya, mga ate. Today we are here at Batangas in Camp Netanya. It's a very nice, there's a little bit of lightning going on. Very nice place over here. And today we tested the Samsung Galaxy A7. So in-invite tayo ng Samsung to try out their new smartphone. This has 3 cameras in the back. So 2 of them has a focal length, and the last one is a depth sensor. So one focal length is actually 120 degrees wide angle, and the other is I don't know how many megapixels. I'll get back to you on that. But a normal angle with bokeh effect. We tried this earlier today, and honestly, I really like the fact that there's no notch. This is just a breath of fresh air, mga kuya, mga ate, when you don't have to deal with the notch. So there you go, there is no notch on this phone. This is, I believe, 17,000 pesos. And it comes with a Exynos 7886, I think, or something like that. It's a pretty good processor. I get about 128,000 on Antutu, so it's pretty decent. Like I said, 17,000 pesos. I don't know the size of the display. It looks more like 5.7 to me. I'll get back to you with the specifics. Honestly, I think it's a pretty decent phone. Sorry kung pinapawisan ako, galing ko lang sa swimming, guys. You can see the swimming pool back there. I got some pretty nice pictures for you to show using the phone. So I'll put them in the video as you're watching right now. So yeah, that is the Galaxy A7, so a little sister to the A9, which is coming also with 4 back cameras with a zoom lens. So sinubukan ko siya. I tried it around, you know. Most of the photos are very Instagrammable. Now the wide angle, I think, is only 8 megapixels or something like that, so it's not like super high resolution. But once you look at the colors, I love the colors that come out of it. Para mo nang, it's like you already snap-seeded, or you know, a nice touch of, you know, extra contrast, extra saturation and stuff like that. So out of the actual camera itself, the photos are nice looking enough to instantly share, no editing needed. So that's pretty good. I like all the photos I took. Now, unfortunately, you know, once you zoom in a little bit, hindi na ganun kaganda. But for 17,000 pesos, it's very hard to complain unless you compare this to some of the more, I guess, affordable Chinese phones out there, which is, you know, not really what Samsung is competing with. I like this phone. It's Super AMOLED display. You got the what it's called, the always on display. I like the fact that there's no notch. I like the UI because it has a app drawer, and honestly, Samsung respects the UI now. There's very little bloatware aside from Bixby, so you know, the experience is very good. So if anybody is interested in maybe an Instagram-worthy smartphone, wants something wide angle. I love the wide angle. I never shot normal angle most of the time unless medyo gabi na, low light. So low light, you want to use the normal angle camera. But the wide angle produces some dramatic shots, and I want to see what the zoom angle on the A9 will look like. But quite impressed with the A7. It's not bad. You know, I love the fact that there's no notch, and it's 17,000 pesos. I think it's one of the better mid-range Samsung smartphones today, and it's nice and shiny too. They got the one, they call this gold. They call this gold, but it more looks like copper. What else do I want to say? Oh, it's super light, so I don't think it's metal. But you know, not gonna complain. Just put a case on it, and it'll look great. Alex from TechnoClass.com here, coming from Batangas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.